New update. Craigslist data is now combined with the Facebook list. Everything is processed together, clean and sorted. Everything runs like before, no installation needed. The control dashboard was adjusted to be more compact and clean. Now, when running the display, it doesn't matter if it's from Craigslist or Facebook, the buttons do the same thing. Now, the display lists the cars in the order they were added. The first ones have ID 1, and the latest have the highest number, depending on the source. If we want to see the latest extracted listings, we just click the ID column a few times. It will start from ID 1 or show the newest ones first. Also, new entries are marked in green to make them easier to spot. I also rearranged the columns for better visibility on smaller screens. If you want to zoom in, just hold Ctrl and scroll with your mouse, it will enlarge the text on the screen. Now, the Facebook icons are blue, and the Craigslist ones match their style. Clicking any icon opens the original listing. For faster viewing, links now open in a new, separate window. Let's start the extractor and see how the newest listings appear last. They are marked in green. All new ads from the current session will be listed at the bottom and shown in green for easy tracking. Just like before, it first checks if there are any notifications. It previews them just like we would, to avoid possible errors. Then it starts extracting only the new content. After extracting a few cars, we stop the process with the stop button and check the new listings.
After stopping the extractor, the display doesn't update automatically. Don't forget, to see the latest extracted listings, you need to start the extractor again.
After starting the extractor and letting it run, we go to the display and press the refresh button. Then we click on the ID column to show the latest results first, and the new entries will appear in green. With these new updates, I think it will be easier to use and more straightforward. It's now easier to spot both issues and results. Now, let me explain the config file. When the program runs, it follows a series of steps, defined inside the YAML file. More exactly, it reads this file to know what location to use and what price range to set. This can be manually configured in myautoflow v2_unfinish auto_market_v1/con fig facebook.yaml. Let's say I only want cities from Arizona, not the whole USA, or maybe just a few specific cities. It doesn't matter. I can create my own list. So I'll create my own list using the same format as the config file. I'll keep the correct indentation and add whatever cities I want along with the price range I choose. I saved the file, and now I can start the extractor directly. The extractor will read that list and extract only the cities I'm interested in. Let's make it clear, I don't need to click any config now. I just press Start Extractor and it will read the file I prepared.
So the extractor will start using the settings I manually configured.
HMM, that's actually cool. You can make your own list, hit extractor, and choose the order you want. Yeah, that's good.
So we no longer use the config menu from the control dashboard. We just set the state, the city, the price range, and that's it. Just be careful to keep the exact same format. Even a space or a dot in the wrong place can cause the extractor to fail. It won't start if it can't read the data correctly. The same rule applies to Craigslist. Formatting must be correct or it won't work. Now, let's see what the selector in our dashboard actually does. It writes the same data, but it comes with a full list of all US states and cities. When you select one, it places that state first and applies the same price range to all. Manually, you can set different price ranges per city. You can watch everything it does until the end. And at any time, you can set it manually with any cities you want and any price range you need.